Hey guys, get to know what time it is. It's time to vlog number 2. Instead of asking more questions. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, me too. What is YouTube just close out? Well, try. What a Piggy Island status at? I don't know. It's a one island. Do you like pizza? Yeah, kind of. What's your favorite TV show? Well, I hate Nickelodeon. It's furious. What is favorite show was like SpongeBob. Especially like over the years, like crossover is a little bit starts. Nothing to how. Chuck. You remember it's like, hey, Nickelodeon. No. Kill all episodes with it using season 1? Just you, me, and no one to find out. Well, Bob is lose his head. What do you mean it's just lose his head? What's your favorite Loud House? Like a Loud. Oh, I saw him. He submitted yesterday with it last year. Yeah, it must be you. It's like just like Redbird. Redbird? Oh yeah, the Angry Birds show. Episode 2 is coming out. If we president, what law will we change? Loud families. I bring back a Nickelodeon. Yeah, Nickelodeon was awesome. Well, thanks for watching when they ask the flock. We will cast it below as the tree responds or the birds. Bye. Bye. Bye.